Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagar. Today we will discuss about some basic tools. How to move the object from one place to another place and how to push the object by using push tool. Like suppose this is a one rectangular. By using the move command, we can move from one place to another place. First select the move and select the edge point. Place from one point to another point. This is for move command. Next one is a push or pull tool. It means it push the entire face. Like this. This is the push or pull tool. Remaining tools we are discussing next class. For more video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you guys.